welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you a story time regarding how I get selected as semi-finalist in IDI Hackathon. So for selecting in Hackathon, it's really important to build a team, because without a team you cannot participate in any hackathon. So first step is to build a team, and not just a team with well skilled people, and where you can collaborate and do things well, and someone who you can trust and who is committed to your project, not someone who just screwed up on the last moment, who can take pressure. As a bachelor student, you have so many pressure, like study pressure, exam pressure, finding internship, and so many. Between that, we are joining hackathon, so we have to think out of the box and we have to build something. So you need to consider that thing in your mind, and after selecting your team, next step is to brainstorm the idea. So you need to think as much as you can. Like, idea is free to go, like just go in a flow. To form an idea, to select an idea, just go with the flow. And after getting some idea, just choose few of them which you think that is really helpful for the real world, not just like you are doing which is already existing, something that need to tackle in real world. You need to pay attention to that areas, and don't be over ambitious, because you have only limited time to build in hackathon, like 36 hours or 48 hours. So keeping in that mind, bring out your idea and just select, collaborate with your team, and just find out how you can solve this problem with your tech stack, like what tools you will use and what are the different ways to solve this problem, how you can solve this problem. And after selecting your tech stack, now second thing is, are you ready to build this? Is it really impactful? Do people really need this, or you're just building it? Ask yourself and then build it. After finding all the solution, all the tick box, just build it. So the hackathon is not just about winning, it's about learning skills, it's about learning in tight projects, it's about building something new out of your syllabus. It's about also testing yourself, like how you can present yourself, build projects, and how you can make others understand like what you are building. Other people can know your ideas. You can find enough networking after building such things. And yeah, selecting your team, after selecting your ideas, after thinking regarding how you can build, just now you have to make a proper document regarding all the things that you can include in your ideathon document, and you should be able to present that to your judges. So in my case, I built have team members with three girls, me and one my friend, and one was her sister. So we three brainstormed one idea regarding an AI emotional agent, and we submitted our document to the ideathon for disabled people, and luckily it get selected as top 16. And they called us for a workshop, they trained us, and then we presented our ideathon, and we were selected as semi-finalist for the hackathon. So this is my small story, and I would like to share like what I earned from this hackathon after participating, not as a winner but as a semi finalist. Also, I am going to share how, like, certification day, like last day ceremony of hackathon, so that you can see how real, how in real world people can join hackathon, how they experience. Like when I was in first year, I was like really curious to know what is this hackathon, how I am able to participate, how I would build the project. I was so curious. In the same way, I was so excited to learn. And here right now, I have participated few of hackathons virtually, and this one was my first hackathon in which I got selected as semi-finalist. It's like feeling so blessed. So don't know anything, like if you have any queries, you can just comment down below so that I can help you guys. So if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more helpful content with you guys. Thanks for watching.